Okay guys, today I'm going to give you an update on the videos that are coming up and our current conference update right now. Stick around. All right, so I'm also going to jump in here. I put a plug at the end, but I'm going to put a plug here as well. Check out our Facebook page. Check out our website, jacobgodar.com. We're going to be getting quality information put on there to help you. Subscribe now. The website's going to be going live in January. There's going to be a bunch of content. Also, currently, we're at the Service Autopilot Conference, SA5. Later in this video, we're also going to talk about that, so stay tuned. Let's get into it. All right, guys. First, I'm going to talk about the videos that are coming up soon. So, I've had a lot of content that I really want to build. Some stuff that's important, and people have been asking about when season 4 and 5 are going to come of kind of our business and growth. So those are going to come, but I want to spread those out so we can get a very true 5th year number. I like being as true as possible with every number being spot on, and I want to know exactly or dang close to where we're going to be. So we're stretching those out, but we're going to also put in awesome stuff in between that. So videos that are coming soon. I got a video that it hit me the other day because I didn't have a Monday like I wanted to have, and it's a video about pushing even when you don't want to, moving forward even when you don't want to, the mindset on that, the realizations you have from when you're in that situation, why it is so important not to just stop, lay back, and let that take a hold of you, because it can be so detrimental to you. So that's one of the newest videos that's going to be coming up. Then another huge one that I want everybody to take value in, but I don't know. I know it's not as big of a hit for people, but it's how you make more money on your bottom line. So it's a job costing walkthrough, a video about how we job cost landscape projects, how important job costing is, some numbers, info. I'm not a financial expert, but I just want to share what has worked with us, because it is crucial in your business, and it can change the way you live and operate. So after that, there's going to be a boot camp video. So I have a bunch of clips from our 10X boot camp. I know everyone has asked us a bunch of questions about that, and I want to put that together, get you a little feel for what that was, and share that with you to see if it's something that you would maybe want to go to in the future. See if it's something you can find benefit in, or if it's something that you're just like, doesn't really cut the cheese for me. Then after all of that stuff's produced, we're going to go ahead with the 4th season. That's going to stretch us out there far enough. I want to be, by the time we hit the 5th season review, I want to be in December, and I want to be able to really project closely to where we're going to be, because it's been a huge, monumental, massive year for us with massive goals. And when we talk about it, I want to know that it is what it ended up, what the goal was, or dang close. So with all that being said, those are going to be the progression of videos. They might not be in that order. I may even come up with something else that feels very helpful during that time. But those are going to be some of the next things you see, and that answers the question of when the next season video is going to be. Second thing I want to talk about is, as this video is being released, we are currently at Service Autopilot Conference. Let me see if I can get my tag for you. Service Autopilot Conference 5. Great industry event, a great company to work with. Service Autopilot has changed the way we're able to grow our business, changed the way we're able to job cost. It did so much for us in making our business better, and moving our business forward, and allowing for us to move at a rapid pace when we're growing.
Hey, this is Kyle, and what do you see out of the Service Autopilot Conference? What is a huge benefit of being here?
The marketing and the ability to grow and ask others, if you haven't been there, what you need to do to get there.
Network. That's awesome. I'm bald. I'm gonna get this shiny looking fresh. But yeah, he's got really good looking hair. So, like you said, networking and being able to spend time with, like, it's late and there's these people out here. I mean, it's not a ton, but this is a small start. The networking, the ability to be here with people that are going to come together, like-minded interests, not I would say not people like one guy in a truck. Everybody here is somebody that wants to grow a large company, and it's good to get all of those people together and and really get ideas and really build off of each other so we can help each other build our companies.
Yeah, like if we talked last year, and if we started with one truck and we want to go to 10, we want to go to 20, you're able to market with the guys who have been there and been through the struggles that you might be going through. So that's why this is a good event to go to see what struggles they've been through, just to see, you cut them off before they have it.
Exactly. So you can pay money. So you can pay to play, and you can gain education, and you can jump ahead, and you can see, say if you're a $100,000 company, a $200,000, $1 million company, you could pay to play, and you can learn from people that are double, triple, quadruple your size, so you know the problems before you get there, so you don't have the problems. And it just expedites and speeds up everything, and really, in turn, makes your life easier. Would you agree? Cool.
So if you're not here this year, make a plan to be here next year.
Yes, SA6. Come on, guys. Kyle's the man. I'm going to shoot some more video with him. This is his wife. She's wild and crazy. I don't know what to say from here. Whatever.
So this conference, it goes on, we start Thursday, midday, Friday, Saturday. This is going to be our last day here. It's a fantastic event. Everybody in the industry, everybody that's involved with Service Autopilot. What I love about it, it is serious people. People that want to see their businesses grow, people that want to blow this thing up, and they want to be financially savvy about it and know that they're making a profit and know exactly how that's working for them. So it's huge. It's so beneficial. Guys, the third point I want to hit on that I really, really want to know, and I want comments, and I want you to not hold back, and I want to gain all of this, and I'm really, really tracking what I'm doing with YouTube now. I'm really trying to write out a dialogue of how this is going to move forward, what kind of videos are going to come next. I'm really drawn to this. Oops, covered up my mic. I'm really, really drawn to this, and I want to make sure it's very high quality, or the best quality I can get in certain situations, like this one. I'm going to get something out there because I need to get something out there, but I know it's going to be a little pushed because it's 7:56, we're at breakfast, and I want to make sure I get it in before this conference gets going today. So, but the third thing that I'm actually going to say is, what videos would you like to see? Where do you hurt in your business? What are the pain points? What are the things that, if I have something to say about it that I feel could change things for you, what would those things be that you need changing? What would those things that I could show you on a video, or at least give you some ideas, or find out something from someone else that I know that that could help move in the right direction? What are those things? What do they look like for you? And what kind of change? I always like to think, if I knew this right now, if I knew the perfect way to structure a landscape job packet and make it run through the business with ease, without ever touching it, without ever selling it, that's the thing that's going to change our business right now. We've got there with mowing and maintenance. I'm not involved with that, and I want to know, that's my next thing. So things like that, what are things that you have that I can make great videos on? Share that with me. Guys, I love making these videos. It means a lot to meet a lot of people and get feedback that these are helping people. So I hope it's touched you. I hope it's helped you. And I'm going to continue to do this. I'm going to continue to push harder on this. I want to help. Let me know what I can do. Jacob with Scooters Lawn Care, just Jacob Godar actually. Like our new Facebook page. Check out jacobgodar.com. It's going to have a lot of great information. Right now, it's just sign up. That's going to go live in January. So, guys, talk to you soon. Let me help. See ya.